Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC. Today we're going to take a look at unboxing this HoBao Hyper 10 SC four-wheel drive short course truck. Now I've got the electric RTR version of this Hyper 10 SC right here. This box says Nitro RTR, but this is in fact the electric version. It comes in two different colors, as you can see here. This nice orange looking color and this blue and white one. This Hyper 10 SC comes in two different versions. It comes as a Nitro short course truck as well as an electric short course truck. For the electric version, it comes as an RTR or a ARR, which is almost ready to run. Basically, it's pre-built, but it's just missing the electronics. I'm not sure if the Nitro version has a ARR as well, but they do come as RTR. Let's take a good look at this box first before we open it up. So here's the front panel. Here's the bottom panel. Here it's got some specifics on the electric version. Some of the features. Let's take a good look at this panel to see what some of these features are and specifications. Here are the length, wheel width, and weight specifications. Here are some of the features. Electric motor and speed controller. Most of HoBao's stuff as far as electrics go are from HobbyWing. Just some of the features here. All right. Take a look at this top panel. Alright, so these would be the Nitro features, which is not what this one is, but just for just to show you what Nitro features are there if you had a Nitro version. And these are the Nitro features. Alright, so like most RTRs these days, it comes with a 2.4 gigahertz radio. Let's go ahead and open up the box and see what's inside. Alright, so here got the instruction manual. Here is the programming card for the speed controller. So if you recognize this, because the OEM is HobbyWing, so their electronics are pretty much HobbyWing electronics. Alright, this is the Hyper 10 SC body. This version is the blue and white version. I might get a clear body later on to paint it my own scheme. I kind of like the orange and black one that they have. This one, it's okay. Just not really my kind of scheme, but this is the only RTR they had left, so they didn't have one in the orange black. Take it out to give you guys a better look. There you go. So These flames are actually painted on. So that's kind of cool. They're not decals, they're painted on. The windows are decals though. These right here are decals. Yeah, this is a decal. This is a decal as well, but the flames are actually painted on body. So kind of cool. These are decals as well. Backed in white on the inside. Alright. The radio. Standard fare for HoBao RTRs. This is the radio that they provide. You got your trims right here. You got your other trims right there. It's a 3-channel transmitter, so it's even got a 3rd channel button right here. So it's cool. I mean, it's not a bad controller overall. I mean, for an RTR, it's actually pretty decent. I've used this with the DC-1 trail truck, so it's not too bad. But yeah, this is the one that they usually come with on the HoBaos, so not too bad. Alright. Got some tools here, zip ties. And here is the chassis. So, really plush shocks. Very smooth. I really like these shocks right here. They definitely feel very smooth. Yeah. Nice. Like I said, you can see here that this is a Hobbywing 10BL60 brushless ESC. This is the receiver that comes with the HoBao radio. And it's got a 3900 kV brushless motor. Here, maybe that's a better look at it. Right there. Try to give you a better look at it right there. Yeah, so it's a brushless motor, 3900 kV. You can see the quality of their CNC parts. They've got in-house CNC machining, so a lot of their parts are CNC machined. Just shock towers. I'm pretty impressed with these shocks. I like them a lot. They're really smooth. Can't wait to give this a run. But yeah, I mean, you can see here the drivetrain. Bottom of the rig. So looks like a really nice rig. Definitely want to give it a run. Here's the tires. Now they've got something in the tires, so it looks like they've actually got something to keep it from ballooning. I can feel some kind of foam in there, stiff foam, so it shouldn't balloon too much. Here's a close look at some features of the chassis. Of course, this body saver / handle right here. Let's take a close look at how this suspension is set up right there. So CVDs. See the mounts right there. Kind of interesting. It's got sway bars right there, front and rear. Here's a steering rack. That's how that system works right there. It's got adjustable turnbuckles. So be interesting to see how this thing goes. So out of the box it comes with a little toe in the rear and toe out in the front, which is okay. I'm going to run it like that first just to see how it is. See how the steering is. Pretty good. Pretty good angle right there. Not bad. Definitely can't wait to drive it. So looks like it might be a really fun rig to run. Really excited. So here it comes with a Dean's connector. Now I was talking about RC LiPo batteries earlier, right here, that I'm going to try with it. See if it fits. It's perfect to try this in because it's already got a Dean's connector. So let's say, yeah, fits perfectly with the Dean's connector. So I'm definitely going to run this tomorrow with this battery and just give it a good rip. Alright, put a battery in it, just testing electronics. You can see here that this is a plastic servo horn. You probably want to change it to an aluminum servo horn, as well as adjusting the endpoints. You can see it bending right there. So make sure you adjust your endpoints. Let's see. Throttle. Alright, can't wait to get some running videos. It should be a fun shortcut truck to run. Let's see, body clips. What else is going here? It would probably help to put it on the... Yeah, that's right. There you go. Seems like it's going to be a fun rig. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on this Hyper 10 SC from HoBao. Thanks for watching.